In today's video, we're going to look at how you can evaluate a formula. And what evaluating a formula means is you basically can break down a formula and have a look at the individual parts of it. So you can see what is going into what, basically, what calculations are being made and what the answers to those calculations are within a formula where there's multiple calculations going on, for example. So we've got a number here, 114216, and this number is actually made up of this formula here. This is just a simple example, but it's useful to illustrate how you can evaluate the formula. So we can see we've got 567 plus 98735 plus 322, and then we've got plus, and then we've got this multiplication of 456 times 32. Now let's say we want to find out what each of these bits individually actually adds up to, and what number is being created. Again, this is just purely for illustrative purposes. Often you're going to be using this on much more complex formulas with various functions in. But if we click on the cell and then we come up to formulas and go to the evaluate formula option, what you can see is it basically allows you to click on evaluate here. So first off, we can evaluate this part, 567 plus 98735. So we'll evaluate that, and we can see that goes to 99302, and then it underlines these two bits, and then we can evaluate that, and that gives us 99624. So basically all of these parts here added together outside of these brackets gives us 99624. And then lastly, we can evaluate the 456 times 32. We can evaluate that, which gives us 14592. So fundamentally at the moment, what this formula is doing is adding 99624 plus 14592, when you've added all of these up and you've multiplied this out. And then if we click once more, we can then evaluate the whole formula, which effectively just gives us the cell value that we had in there already, 114216. Now, another way to evaluate a formula, you can actually just highlight individual bits and select F9. So if we were to highlight all of these bits, for example, F9, and you can see we get 99624. So it's adding up all of those parts of the formula. Equally, we could highlight the part just in brackets here, select F9, and we get the 14592 again. So that's just an example of how you can evaluate a formula. Can be useful when you're debugging formulas and you want to see what's creating what, and it's a great thing to be aware of. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.